Jill Chrisp from this region, and although I feel incredibly connected to it, I'm also Pākehā from a long line of Crisps before me, 5 generations. I mean, I grew up as a Pākehā woman here, professional family, didn't want anything, was supported through my whole life, and yet what I seem to be doing is to work to try and rebalance those inequities that I see. I've been an activist, as I said, I've protested all over the place. I think probably my first big hikoi was with the Kupa. I remember being held up by some Ngā Tamatoa guys there and just saying, you know, what the hell are you doing as a Pākehā person here? You're the issue, you're the problem. And it made me really think, you know. I think it's that passion about saying things are not fair, and it's just not okay to see some people having to struggle, whereas others are born into absolute privilege. I think my passion comes from about saying we have to redress that. You know, what we have here in Gisborne and Tūranga is an absolute opportunity to play out those different ways of being. So for me, it's been, I think I've got caught up with that, and so the rest of my life has really been about trying to facilitate the kind of changing of those systems. My great-grandfather was Captain Thomas Chrisp. He actually owned the Gisborne Herald for a little while before the Muir family did. He was part of DJ Barry's, he was harbour master of the Gisborne Harbour, and had children who had children who had children who had me. My own father actually was chair of the Museum and Art Gallery, and they were wanting to find out about where Te Tairāwhiti was and just trying to unpack the story of the encounter between Cook and tangata whenua here. And in the process of doing that, found out that it was in fact our great-grandfather that blew it up, which was quite a shocking discovery, and that rippled through our family actually. It was quite a challenge for us to deal with, because that was a hugely significant event, and particularly for people here, and it destroyed people's lives. You know, it was major. You know, and I look back and think, well, what did we learn from that point? What did we learn from Te Tairāwhiti? What did we learn from the encounter when Cook came here? And I think, apart from anyone else in this country, that encounter, I think, has given us a basis on which we can either destroy ourselves or we can really build what it is that we're doing.